everyone, Kiva here with another video. Today I'm going to be doing 2 simple but effective DIY tricks for your smartphone. Number 1, which will be repairing your screen scratches with toothpaste. So you'll need a tube of toothpaste and you're going to rub it across with your fingers, and then after rubbing it in a little, you'll leave it for 5 minutes, and after which you will have to wipe it with a damp cloth, and voila, your scratches are going to replace. These are for tiny scratches though. It won't work on like big cracks or anything like that effectively. And also be sure that your phone is waterproof. If not, it may damage the display, and if your display is a glass display, then try to give with it. It may not work and could potentially damage your phone. This is more effective on plastic displays. And number 2 on the list, which will be a stylus pen, a DIY stylus pen to be specific. All you need is a pen or pencil, foil, which is aluminum foil, and you will have to get a rubber band. You will apply the foil on top of the pen or pencil tip, and you will attach the rubber band to make sure it stays in place, and you have a DIY stylus pen. And another way to do this is by cutting out a section of your pencil, and that will be exposed in the graphite in the pencil, and you place your finger on that cut section and you can use that pencil as a style as well. How this works is basically displays reacting with the electric charge, which graphite and aluminum foil does hold an electric charge just like the human skin, which is why we're able to use our fingers on displays. And so that's it for 2 simple tricks for your smartphone. Tell me what you guys think about these DIY in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more. See you guys in the next one. Bye.